How to train your dog, tips and techniques for a well-behaved pet. Dogs are wonderful companions that can bring joy, love, and laughter into our lives. However, owning a dog also comes with the responsibility of training them. Training your dog not only helps them to behave appropriately but also strengthens the bond between you and your furry friend. Whether you are a new dog owner or an experienced one, it's essential to know how to train your dog effectively. In this video, we will explore some tips and techniques to train your dog in the best possible way. Understanding your dog's behavior. The first step in training your dog is to understand its behavior. Dogs are social animals and have certain instincts that drive their behavior. For instance, they are pack animals and have a natural instinct to follow the leader of the pack. As a dog owner, you need to establish yourself as the pack leader to gain your dog's respect and trust. Understanding your dog's behavior will help you to tailor your training techniques to their specific needs. Positive reinforcement training. Positive reinforcement training is one of the most effective ways to train your dog. This technique involves rewarding your dog for good behavior, which reinforces the behavior and encourages them to repeat it. Rewards can include treats, toys, or verbal praise. Positive reinforcement training also helps to build a strong bond between you and your dog. Consistency is key. Consistency is critical in dog training. Dogs thrive on routine and predictability, so it's essential to be consistent in your training methods. This includes using the same commands, rewards, and consequences for good and bad behavior. Inconsistency can confuse your dog and make it difficult for them to understand what is expected of them. Patience and persistence. Training your dog can take time and requires patience and persistence. Dogs are individuals, and they learn at their own pace. Some dogs may take longer to learn certain behaviors, while others may pick them up quickly. It's important to remain patient and persistent, even if it takes longer than you anticipated. Seek professional help if necessary. If you're struggling to train your dog, don't be afraid to seek professional help. Professional dog trainers can provide you with the guidance and support you need to train your dog effectively. They can also help you to identify any underlying behavioral issues that may be hindering your dog's training. Conclusion. Training your dog is an essential part of being a responsible dog owner. It not only helps your dog to behave appropriately but also strengthens the bond between you and your furry friend. Remember to always seek professional help if necessary, and most importantly, enjoy the process of training your furry companion. With time and effort, you'll have a well-behaved and happy dog.